Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing 5 minutes getting ready on your face. So let's get it. I already have done my eyebrows because I did a eyebrow tutorial, but let's get it. So I have my foundation, my Clinique foundation, so I'm gonna start applying to it. First off, the 5-minute how to get ready in 5 minutes with makeup. You usually start off with your brows. And your eyebrows, you don't really have to do much to it. If they're shaped, you could just fill them in right away. But since mine are not, I have to shape them and I have to do all those things. But now I have my brush. I'm spreading my whole foundation. So you do this throughout your whole face. Make sure you kind of get your neck as well, because if it's too light and your face is too dark or vice versa, it's not gonna look good. So I got my sponge, I just go through it. Okay, so now you curl your lashes and you put on mascara. Finally got my curling. So now you curl them. So now I have my Mexican mascara. In December that I went, I did get a couple of mascaras just because mascaras are really freaking bomb from Mexico. So let's get ready. I don't like putting a lot because I do like wearing lashes. So that's enough for me. And now you could either just put a lot of mascara or you could apply lashes. I will be just leaving it like that because it's a really, oh, and then it doesn't look as bad. It's really normal, like. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Leave a thumbs up. Deuces.